Hi there. If you are looking to manage the most up-to-date records, it's always a good idea to pull the data directly from insurer portals. This ensures you're capturing the latest changes like increased age-banded plans, updated customer details, and policy adjustments. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to export data from the Tokio Marine Life Portal and import them into Foxel all in one go. First, we have to go to the login website for Tokio Marine. And after you have logged in, access the intermediary portal. Once you're in, from the left-hand menu, select Previous Intermediary Portal, then go to Dashboard. Now, this is because the current portal allows you to search individual records easily, but the previous model is actually necessary for exporting all the records in Tokio Marine. Once you're in the Live Business section, click on Contract Listing. And in the quick search drop-down menu, select all enforced policies to list all active policies. Click download all the visors over here to CSV to download all policy records. If needed, repeat this step for policies with other statuses if you want to manage, for example, such as lapse policy, lapse contracts. And how do we export contact details? Go back to the home page. From the Live Business section, select Client Listing just below the contract listing. In the Quick Search drop-down menu, choose Contract Owner to list all clients and click Save Listing as ... to that will download all the client details under file called adheres.csv. Before going to Foxel AI, open the exported file that you have downloaded from Tokio Marine, and if prompted, click on Enable Editing. We just need to do one very simple edit. We don't have to manipulate any of the data fields. All we have to do, click on the first row, right click, delete, simple as that. And of course, save it. Right. This is one step that we need to prepare the file for download. It needs to be clean, meaning that the first row, it's got to be the headers like contract number, owner name, plan name, etc. In Foxel AI, after you've logged in, click on Dashboard, and by default, the first feature would be, you can expand or contract. The first feature is Account. In Account, go to Policies and click on this icon called Plus Import Policies. Select the edited file from Tokio Marine. The system will do its thing to map and to automatically detect the fields. For example, you can see, right, that plan name is automatically mapped to the attribute that is required, policy name, instead of choosing like contract status or all the other irrelevant fields. Click Next to review the data. If the preview looks correct, simply click yes, everything looks correct. And if this is the latest data, you may want to overwrite the existing records that you have so that you don't have duplicates and to avoid confusion. All right, because I already have them, I'll click cancel. Okay, so how do we view the imported data in Foxel AI? Go to the Clients tab, use the search bar to find records by attributes such as policy number or policy holder name. And here's a small tip: to search multiple attributes, you can separate them with a comma and space, like policy number and comma the policy name. And if you want to quickly retrieve any contact details, simply navigate to the Customer Service Writer tab, CS Writer, and ask your AI assistant, right, to fetch the details. Like if I've done a demo here, for example, I said, give me contact records for Cristiano Ronaldo from a policy, from the contact records that I've uploaded, and it simply shows me in the chat. And just a quick preview for what to expect in the next build, we're working on a feature that will also allow you to view a full list of all imported contact details directly in Foxel AI. Just like what you see from the policy details, we will create a feature to list all the client details as well. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported both policy and contact data into Foxel AI. And if you have any questions or if you need help, feel free to reach out and happy exploring.